What if there were no superstitions? What if there was no place for blind beliefs in this world of science and technology? What if superstitions never existed? There are loads of superstitions followed all over the world. Some of them have some scientific background, but the others are just followed blindly. Let us move to one most common superstition which everyone is known to. That is, eating curd and sugar before we head out brings good luck. It is not so. The actual reason behind it is that consumption of curd brings a cooling effect in our stomach, and sugar provides instant glucose, due to which our efficiency at work increases. There is another popular custom, that is wearing black brings bad luck. But it is not so. Everything right from our hair to outer space is black. Then why not to wear black? It is because India has a wide range of climatic variations, and most of the part below central India has a hot and humid climate. And as we all know, black attracts heat. That is why it is said not to wear black. Many people follow such superstitions, but they don't know the reason behind it. It is plain why we need superstitions. It is because people won't follow the good things if they are told too plainly. Let's take an example. In the earlier times, glass utensils and articles were very expensive, due to which it was told that breaking of glass causes bad luck. And thus, people started to handle glass articles more carefully. But then, if such superstitions cause good to us, then what's wrong? Let them be there. The thing that's wrong is the way they are told. Can't we just tell the scientific reason behind things instead of turning them into superstitions? Come on, we live in the 21st century, in the world of science and technology. Carrying on our belief in superstitions is further leading to rude and unwanted customs, the customs which are harmful to the society. It is leading to offerings of animals and humans in the name of God. It is a harsh truth that more than 2 billion animals and 20,000 humans are sacrificed each year in the name of superstitions. Wouldn't a world without superstitions just be a dreamscape? A place which everyone dreams of? It would be a place where spirituality and superstitions would be replaced by cold science. A place where every individual would get equal opportunity irrespective of narrow-minded divisions. And trust me, not believing in superstitions would make you more stronger and happier, because we know that we are in charge of everything that happens with us, and the outcome of our work would be the result of our hard work and confidence, and not due to some luck, some incantations, or some secret divine force behind us. The world would just be a better place to live in, and we can turn this dream into a reality if we work on it. If we create awareness and know the difference between superstitions and reality, it's we who can bring the change. Today, India has reached the moon and back. But because we believe in some stupid superstitions even now, India ranks as the most superstitious country in the world. And many people still know us just as the land of snake charmers. But we deserve much more. And it's time to change. And it's we who can bring out the change.